How to turn on camera access on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Over here, you can view all apps and whether they have access to the camera or not. If you want to allow camera access to all of the apps, then turn on all of the options as shown. You have now successfully turned on camera access for all your apps on iPhone. You can go back and change the camera access settings from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on camera access on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.